tege me gora balar neiring one kwa kang manji kang je lar kana manchalar kwa ga compare and then ralientin belar me tell loida ka my brother lakin kod me ta the nay take a label it a set ja kang tat la wun mi check me thought changa tat la wun bar me ta point label and dien ja kang ja te wi mon ka man ka gwan ka nyamani ko brokolo luang changa gwich cho garame chang che gwan jien ke chi man jien ka chi gan mani charo dien luang ngude antar kur bro luang be lade bum bro luang te label mi binan ngai toto ke label ko mo bokon ke label wuni kang e wodwel gora cho to gwar ke cho wodwel gora yo to gwar result take a success kind of performance in life as man set labels me chi woko YouTube you can't get je gwij she kdenk music she gwij there's different in views me chi benga Facebook followers she can't get je she gwij she kdenk she gwij ne kona president there are levels like I'm way too much me work on JJ generation if he's so in touch if he's connected to them I'm not sure but if you come to my generation I believe I don't need to say that because you guys knows the truth so if you go to Shagan Chikang JJ Kwen kana nyamata gat keje mi parka gwar ke chiga para gwar you guys will know that gat ndam neke gan nga gwa gan nga yigwa you guys will know that you guys will know that so but chware damar chware use against me community te ramde pretend karam chida pretend but there are things there is different and there are limits to what we can accept as a community and what we cannot accept as a community men di de nongoral e o cha look e char ko show Nuer pin kan really gay ko charo lot is we don't even accept that in our community so now take a me ku yene share along warga ko share about bulbul me cha post ka media share post again the same thing ko share ne dia tele signature tele stamp tele nothing ngan bo tele ng proof geroi jang nyu kene doli jani nyu kene I kai national security ta ka information endo I lat kan ka embassies ngai keno nga ngube jimo winika ngonanga nang jigwa mo this and this lakin eno ro yen weche luno bia privacy not bia lepin let us not confuse which must always have leaders and if Baral Ghazala ruling the country nobody else can really complain too much. We all have to support them. Because tomorrow, if it comes to Equatorial, we will still support it. So let us be happy for Baral Ghazal people leadership. Lakin, anarodin chilepin. That's the only thing. Jangwa nung ralten no more. Kano tene ribal bon e bina ticharodin lot. So jangwa de pektin no more. Charne ku kondamar. But levels are different. Level not. Very soon, whether 6 years down the line, you will know this thing. There is no rush.